Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this elegant poncho style top with a beautiful drape. It's beginners friendly, no zipper or button needed, and perfect for pairing with palazzo pants or skirts. The materials we'll be needing for this style include 2 yards of any soft fabric. You can use silk, chiffon, or soft crepe. You first fold your fabric into two this way. After folding it this way, then you fold it again lengthwise. For this top, the width depends on how long and how loose you want it to be. But it's best if you use a fabric of 60 inches, that the width is by 60 inches. So when on fold, you will have 30 inches. So for this, my width here is 30 inches. And for my length, I have 37 inches. You can adjust your own to whatever length you want. So the next thing is to input the shoulder measurement. The shoulder I'm using is 16 inches divided by 2. That's 8. So I measured 8 inches. Then for the neck width, I measured 4 inches. And I'll be using 3 inches for the depth for both the front and the back. So measurement for the neck is 4 inches by 3 inches. 4 inches for the width and 3 inches for the depth. Then from the shoulder, I'll measure 3 inches away from the shoulder. And I'll input the measurement I want to use for my hand opening. For this, I'll be using 6 inches for the hand opening. Then I'll look for the midpoint of that 6 inches, which is 3 inches, and come down by 1.5 or 2 inches for your curve. So it depends on how deep you want the curve to be. Here I use 2 inches. Then I'll connect that to make a curve. Next, I'll cut out the neckline. For your neck, you can go for round neckline or boat neckline or even asymmetric neckline. Then I'll cut out the hand opening. For the neckline and the hand opening, you fold and hem the neckline neatly. You can double fold or use a bias tape for a clean finishing. After that, you hem the sides of the fabric. Depending on the type of fabric you are using, if your fabric does not need hemming, you can leave it that way. Hem the sides and that's it. Your elegant poncho style top is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for my next sewing video. See you next time.